Yeah, you have to practice it, right? And that's also a leadership skill.
We went through all this list of bad experiences. Let's just not do that. The people has always been the hardest thing.
You have to sense the moment.
Yes. As you're scaling and growing a business kind of from a startup into a larger company, you get curveballs that you're expecting. It's the people and the personal life things that come at you where you go, oh man, I did not see that coming.
How do you know as you that you actually are a good leader?
It's a really good question. The fact that people are regularly comfortable, coming to me and having a conversation or seeking either advice or some guidance, that tells me more than anything that I'm doing something right.
Welcome to Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. I'm your host, Sannah Vinding, and this podcast is designed for professionals in manufacturing, supply chain, and the electronics component industry, providing insights to enhance your leadership skills. I love that you're listening. Please find us on YouTube and wherever you get your podcast, and be sure to subscribe and rate us. Also, follow our LinkedIn page and Instagram and check out leadershipinmanufacturing.com for previous episodes, blog posts, and our newsletter. So let's continue this journey together to become better leaders in the electronics industry. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.